Hello, grandmother. This is Caleb. I just recorded this quick video to show you how to access and use a word processing application. As you can see, I'm currently on my Gmail screen. And what you want to do is you want to go into this upper right-hand corner, and there's a little icon that looks like a series of 9 little boxes. So if you go ahead and click that, that'll give you a whole bunch of options here. The option that I want you to choose is Drive. Once you've selected Drive, it will open up your Google Drive. It gives you a lot of different things that you can do here, but what we want to do at this point is we want to click the New in the upper left-hand corner. And one of the options is Google Docs. So I'm going to select Google Docs right here. Once I've done that, that will open up a word processor. And at this point, I can type whatever I want. The word processor has a lot of different features in it. It depends on what you want to do with it, but if you want to just quickly type in email, you can do that very, very simply here, which is what I will do. I'm going to misspell something real quick. So I've misspelled a couple different things, and you can see that they are now underlined in red. That means that I can right-click it and select the correct word if I would like to do the spell checker. So the spell checker is automatically on. There, we are good. Okay, let me go ahead. I'm going to finish this one off. I'm going to say Caleb Brown. So I have a little bit of a note here, a little bit of a letter. At this point, there might be different things that I want to do with it. Most likely, however, is that I want to print it. And you can actually do that by clicking this file up here that you saw, and you can print. Or I may want to download it. So if I want to download it and send it to someone, I can choose to download it as. And there's a lot of different options here. If it were to be something that I was going to send to someone or wanted to print off, I might just select a PDF document, which will allow me to very easily save it as a document. Or if I wanted someone to be able to modify it in, say, Microsoft Word, I could save it as a Microsoft Word document. In either case, when you select it, it will give you the option to download. And here I can choose to save the file, which is what I will do. And then it will give me the option to save it at whatever location I like. I'm going to save this thing to my desktop. Now it's saved to my desktop, and I have a copy of that. Now I'm not sure what else you would like to do with this. There's quite a few different things you can do with a word processor. This particular word processor is something that you already have if you have Gmail, and it's something that will allow you to create documents and they will be automatically saved. So if I were to go back, and here you can see, I'm going to move that down, you can see that I have my Gmail over here, which is where I was, or my document, which is what I was just working on, or my Drive. One of the things you'll see in the My Drive space here now is that my untitled document is saved. So if I were to close that, as I'm working with it, it's automatically saved, and I can come back in. I can just double click on that at any time, and I can see my document. So if I have old letters that I want to look at again, or old documents I want to look at again, I can always do that through my Google Drive. So if you have any questions in the future, we can talk about it. I can do a little tutorial like this for you. Hopefully this is what you needed. If not, we can try to schedule a little bit of a time and talk through things a little bit more. But just want to let you know that Constance and I love you, and we're real happy that you enjoyed the knife. Talk to you soon.